In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block dates for Airbnb hosting. Blocking dates is essential when you need time for maintenance, personal use, or to prevent bookings during holidays and special events. Doing it correctly ensures guests can't request or instant book those days, and it keeps your calendar accurate and stress-free. Start by opening the Airbnb app or going to the Airbnb website. Make sure you're logged in to your host account so you can access your hosting tools. If you're seeing the guest view, switch over by selecting Switch to Hosting in the top right corner. This puts you in the dashboard where you manage listings, messages, and availability. From there, head straight to Calendar. This is the hub for availability, pricing, and rules. If you manage more than one place, choose the specific listing you want to edit. Double check that you're on the right property before you make changes, especially if you switch between multiple calendars. Now click directly on the dates you want to block. You can select a single day or drag across multiple days to highlight a range. Take a moment to verify the month and year so you don't accidentally block the wrong period. If you're on mobile, tap to select and use the handles to expand the selection for several days. When you select dates, a side panel or a pop-up will open with options for those days. Look for the option labeled block or mark as unavailable. Choose that to tell Airbnb these days cannot be booked. Depending on your device, your changes may save automatically, or you might see a Save or Done button. If you do, click it to confirm. Waiting a second or two is normal while the calendar updates. Once saved, the dates will show as unavailable in your calendar. Guests browsing your listing will see those days grayed out or otherwise blocked, and they won't be able to send a booking request for that period. This is immediate in most cases, but give it a moment to sync if you're switching between app and web. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Zoom out to a month view to scan for any accidental blocks. And remember that block dates override your normal availability settings. If you use minimum night rules or far out booking windows, those won't reopen blocked days. Also, check your time zone if you operate across regions so you're blocking the exact nights you intend. That's it. With these steps, you'll confidently control your calendar and prevent unwanted bookings. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.